Hello, my name is Kyra Springer, and this is my school finance project. My district has hired 5 new principals, and I was one of the lucky ones. The superintendent called me into a meeting during which she informed me that the previous principals were managers who did not employ site-based management. As a newly hired leader, I'm pleased to hear that the state legislature passed a bill establishing an educational advancement fund for public schools to help them improve. My school, City View Junior/Senior High campus, has received $500,000 that will be distributed over a 2-year period. The superintendent also informed me that the funds will become available on October 1st and must be spent during the fiscal year that the funds were provided. This is my first year as principal, and I've got a lot of people counting on me. I'm required to work with the site-based decision-making committee to develop a shared vision for my school. During the next month's school board meeting, I will demonstrate my leadership abilities to effectively promote continual and sustainable school improvement. The windfall budget is a super hot topic, and every principal is expected to detail how the funds will be used to improve their schools. Alright, just to give you a little background about City View Junior High/Senior High. City View ISD is located in Wichita Falls, Texas, and is home to the Mustangs. And currently we have 452 students enrolled, and we offer grades 7 through 12. This is our accountability ratings. So for City View Senior/Junior High, my school vision statement that I came up with is that we are committed to providing first-class education to every student. The educational environment of our school will encourage creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. City View will set all of our students up for success through innovative and engaging practices while also encouraging continuous growth. I want to see our school continually improve, and we will do that by staying committed to this vision statement. As far as the communication strategies that will be used to improve communication, there will be new communication strategies, ideas, and plans that will be gathered and put into a document. The document will be easy to read, organized, and simple to understand for parents, the community, students, administrators, and the staff. One of the strategies will include meeting with the community where we will present the goals of our school, and we will also use those meetings to answer our community's questions and address their concerns. We will also meet with the SBDM committee and administrators where we can distribute roles effectively to accomplish our goals. We also have plans to send out newsletters and emails to keep the community and parents aware of what the school has going on. We will keep all of our information up to date online as often as possible. For our improvement plan, we will include these 5 things. First, we'll include co-teaching strategies to encourage more cooperation between the special education teaching and regular education teaching. This will lead to better first-class education for all students. We also plan to have more regularly scheduled meaningful meetings to address questions and concerns. During these meetings, we will also discuss future goals and plans. Another goal is to continue to develop our professionals, which we will do by implementing more regular professional training and education. We will also have better staff technology training. Technology has become such an important part of our world's businesses and education that keeping up to date is essential for our success. We will be implementing this more in the classroom and help our students become more technologically advanced. Lastly, we will encourage more parent involvement, which will lead to greater success for our students. As far as managing personnel, technology, and financial resources, we will create committees to handle personnel, technology, and financial resources. Committees will have leaders who can effectively run them correctly. Every committee will have their own head committee member that will be the moderator to ensure things get handled in a timely manner. There will also be a personnel committee, technology committee, and financial committee. The personnel committee will consist of the counselor, an at-risk coordinator, secretary, and 3 to 4 teachers. The technology committee will consist of the principal, vice principal, a technology teacher, an IB coordinator, a librarian, and 2 to 3 teachers. And lastly, the financial committee will consist of the principal, vice principal, the head of the budgeting department, a math or finance teacher, and 3 to 4 teachers. These committees will help us keep the personnel, financial, and technological resources as tools to promote student learning and more involvement with the campus lead. To promote the needs of the school to the local, state, and national levels, we have a number of things planned. In order to address the needs at the local level, we will have more face-to-face meetings. These community meetings will keep the community more involved and engaged in the success of the students. We will also be sending out newsletters to keep them up to date. Another important plan is to create a local Facebook page for members of the community to keep track of what the school has going on. To meet the needs of the state level, we plan to send out emails and letters, make phone calls, and have more face-to-face meetings to address concerns upon their request. Finally, to address national needs, we'll use similar methods as we did at the state levels and also have more budgeting meetings. Using data to reach our goals. We will use the faculty more effectively by recognizing students who are at more risk and giving more attention to them. We will also have more clarification on subject matters that are lacking and switch up lesson plans and subject matters. We will help put together programs that go along with the data and find ways to improve our curriculum. We will also encourage the community to get as involved as well. We will create more after-school clubs and activities that are important for students to learn outside of the classroom environment, and this will also give students distractions from family life problems, encourage more student engagement with other students, and also help keep kids out of trouble. The data we collect can also give background to why certain ideas should be funded and why others shouldn't be. As far as future funding and continuous improvement goes, for the future of City View Junior/Senior High, we will continually improve our programs. We will also continually improve security, technology, and adding new additions to the school programs. We will also continually advertise the vision and goals of our school to the community and ask for more of their support. My staff and I will also communicate more effectively with the community and parents to gain their support as well. Lastly, we will create a committee in charge of school finances to keep track of the school's budget and spending habits. Thank you. Does anyone have any questions?